We're going to be making some chicken fajitas. All you have to do is pour all your ingredients in a bowl and then give it a really good mix. My onions, my chicken. I'll go ahead to add all my spices, chicken seasoning, salt, ginger powder, paprika, black pepper, and then some oil. Give this a really good mix and combine everything together. You want to ensure all parts of the chicken are coated in all of the spices. And I'll place this in my LG Neochef Microwave, and we're going to be using the grill function. I'll be grilling this for about 8 minutes. I'll be placing the tortilla wraps in the LG Neochef Microwave as well, and I'll grill for about 3 minutes just to make it crisp. Our tortillas are out. Now I'm just going to take the tortilla wrap and add the chicken fajitas inside. I'll be adding some dressing on top of the chicken, and our delicious chicken fajita is ready. This took less than 20 minutes. If you love what you just watched and you think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community today and also get a chance to create a review video for the LG Neochef Microwave. Use the link in my bio to join now.